I'm connected.
Mine is still checking the connection rate.
बिल भरा करो.
बिल भर दिया है.
बिल नहीं भरते आप फोन का. You're not live. Oh, बिल भर दिया इन्होंने.
Hi all of you.
Hi. Wow, and we are doing this for the first time. ऐसे दोनों मोबाइल एक साथ रख के let's keep it here. And yeah.
Perfect.
You know my phone quality is better than your phone.
That people will decide. Well, happy Valentine's Day to all of you.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
So as you noticed, we did a video today talking about Free to Love, talking about the campaign that Close Up initiated, Free to Love. We asked you that is the society letting people love, be it of any gender?
Any
we did
caste,
a story.
any gender.
We did a story asking you a question. If you guys haven't answered it, we can go ahead and answer it.
So we will shoot up some questions and let's see how much we are able to analyze Indian audience. Also, we would love to know, and if there's anything that we could change about our country or anything that we could promote love in a better way, we will do it. It's just not a campaign. It's also an issue like in our country.
It is indeed.
Yeah.
Okay, so on a scale of 0 to 5, how many of you think that India is free to love? I mean, it's free to love in India.
Free to love in India. How many of y'all think?
On a scale to 0 to 5, how free is India to love? On a scale of 1 to 5, how free is India to love?
Guys, please, I know you guys are really excited for the live. I know you guys
Dibron
are
said
really...
2.
2. Okay.
2.
Akshita said 2. I know you guys are really excited, but then I would want you all to actually
0, 3.
answer.
See, that is because
4.
yeah, a lot of people are saying 2, 3.
I got 4 maximum abhi tak.
No, it's a low number. Like the majority says.
Majority is like low.
Yeah, because the barriers are such. Like it's insane.
Move your camera towards me. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So second question I would like to ask you guys: would you feel free to date someone who is much older than you if you're attracted to them? Yes or no? If you feel that the person is much older to you and you can't date, this is the reason why you don't want to date that person, because that person is elder to you.
Maybe because you have a mental block or the society doesn't allow you to.
Like you want to, but then you think the society won't accept you guys. Yes or no? No. Oh my God.
Wow, man.
Wow. No, but then there are some people who say yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Would you be open to dating someone of a different religion? Would you date somebody who is not of a religion?
This is a big question, quite controversial.
Would you guys date
someone?
somebody regardless of the religion, if they are from a different religion?
Anam says yes. Anam, you don't say that. Depends on the person. That means it's a yes.
If you love them
Yeah.
and they are of a different religion, would you date them?
Yeah, that means yes. If they say depends on the person, that means yes. Yay! Hey, there are people saying no, same religion. My God.
Wow, man.
But I feel, you know what, Varun? If the religions are different, you get to learn a lot about their culture. There's a lot they can do in a relationship. And trust me, itne saal saath mein bitana, you need something or the other topic to go on. Otherwise, bore ho jaoge.
We both will give you a conclusion by the end of this survey. The next question is...
would you be open to date a divorcee?
That's a good question.
Quite controversial again.
What if you love somebody and you find out that they have had a marriage before? Would you still date them or would you still think of marrying them? Parents don't allow for different religion.
That's what we want to change.
We'll come to that by the end of the survey.
That's what we want to change. Okay, Anam says no.
Never.
Never.
Wow.
Why? I think it's really stupid if they think it's a divorcee or single or whatever.
We'll share opinion by the end of the survey.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I find him good, yeah, it should be worth it. That's all.
Would your family accept you if you dated somebody of the same gender? Would your family accept you if you dated
Hey, hi,
somebody
horsey.
of the same gender? If you are a guy,
There's someone who said a very sensible thing. Culture doesn't matter. Love matters. If you are very lovable with each other, yeah, you can marry and you looking super cute together. Okay, thank you.
would your family accept you if you date anybody of the same gender?
Same gender? No, never. My God, I'm getting answers like very stern answers like no. Varun, where is your camera running?
Okay, one last question. Do you think the society approves of a woman earning more than a man?
This is crazy.
It's not
Do you
your
think-
question. It's about the society. It's
It's
not
about
about what
society.
you think.
It's not about what
It's about
you think.
a general consensus about what the society thinks.
What do you think? Will the society accept a couple in which the girl is earning more than the
guy.
boy? No. People say no. People say no.
Yes.
People say yes as well. Yes. No. Women have come up nowadays.
You're right.
True.
They're saying they should, but they don't.
They should,
All right.
they don't.
By
Well,
the end,
this was an amazing poll. This was an amazing
we would just
survey.
want to tell you guys that if you love somebody, the gender, the age, the sex, the religion shouldn't matter. It should be just the emotion and nothing else. There should be no barrier between you and the loved one, be it a guy or a girl. It can be the same gender. It shouldn't matter. Love is love, and you can't differentiate it on the basis of religion, caste, color,
Also,
gender.
it's just about you two. I mean, I know in India parents are very important. I know people around you are very important. But then I think everybody as an individual should understand that it's something that they both have to share. It's something that the couple has to go through. And I don't know about others, but they have to be there for themselves,
True.
for each other. So I think it's completely their decision.
We want you guys to go take the Close Up Free to Love poll. If you don't find the link is on my swipe up. On our swipe up, you can go see our story and take the poll and make India a better place to love for everybody.
Better place to live with love.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
We'll do
Bye.
this again very soon.
And we'll come live personally again for you all.
Bye.
Everybody's been talking.